Hi guys! My name is Kenny and welcome back to my channel! As you guys can tell sa title, today's video is going to be all about the new... Umiikot ako, wait lang guys. Umiikot kasi upuan ko. For those of you na hindi pa aware, nag-collab ulit ang Vice Cosmetics and BT21 and I believe yung tawag lang dito sa collaboration na to is parang round 2. Ganun lang ata. Wala siyang specific na name. But still, super exciting because, grabe, PR kit pa lang, sobrang fun na. Yun nga lang, sobrang laki na OOA-yan ako. I don't know why. I feel like mas okay sana kung medyo niliitan nila. That way, diba? Mas maganda siyang i-keep. So, ayun lang naman yun sa akin. But still, overall, the packaging is really nice, super fun, and cute. I love it. Ang ganda ng illustration and ng mga kulay. So, ayun guys. Ayoko na pahabain pa yung intro dahil alam ko madami sa inyo nag-aabang ng aking thoughts about the new BT21 and Vice collaboration. If you guys want to know my full thoughts on the new Vice Cosmetics x BT21 collaboration, aka round 2, you guys already know what to do. Just keep on watching. Again, this is how the PR kit looks like. It's really nice. I love it. Tapos once you open this, actually yung takip na lang to. Ito yung inside ng PR kit. There are total of 9 products dito sa PR kit. We have 4 cream blushes, 4 na glossy water tint, and isang pouch. And actually, what's good about this PR kit is that hindi lang siya para sa mga influencers or sa mga YouTubers. You can also get the chance to purchase the entire PR kit and actually, basahin ko yung info na binigay nila para hindi ako magkamali. It says here na available na for pre-order itong PR kit for 1,495 pesos. So, before we proceed sa pag-test ng mga makeup, I'm gonna show you first itong pouch na kasama sa PR kit because I'm very sure na yung iba sa inyo gustong malaman kung ano ba ito. Ganyan yung likod niya guys, and yung closure, meron siyang parang pinapress na button. Tapos, ganito yung kanyang inside. Black lang siya, and actually maganda yung quality niya. Even yung design actually, super cute niya. I love it, ang fun. Tapos, ang maganda dito is naka-emboss siya. Kaya sigurado talaga na kahit maluma itong pouch na to, hindi mabubura or magfe-fade yung mga details. First product na susubukan natin is yung Cheeky Blush. So this one retails for, again, 195 pesos each. Sabi dito, this collection of smooth, cream-based blushes are packed with buildable and blendable pigments. Its formula is designed to be easy to use for a perfect finish that leaves your cheeks with a natural flush or color na nakaka-fresh lang. So basically, yung claims nila dito sa product na to is that it is blendable, lightweight, and pigmented. Again, we have 4 shades. First one is called Everyday Nude. Second is Perfect Peach. Third shade is called Playful Pink. And yung last naman is called Sheer Plum. Packaging looks like this and I super duper love it kasi ang cute, ang nice niya. It is also made of plastic which I appreciate kasi diba, kapag ka nabitawan nyo siya or kaya bumagsak, sigurado kayo na hindi siya masisira or mababasag. First color na isuswatch natin is Everyday Nude. And ayan siya guys. This is how this shade looks like. I'm not sure about the color guys. Parang, I don't know. Parang siyang bronzer. Pero tignan natin mamaya sa cheeks kung ano yung kulay niya. Pero first impressions, it's very creamy. It is easy to blend. Tsaka hindi siya patchy. Tapos yung finish niya is actually parang medyo dewy. This one is Perfect Peach. And ang cute nung lalagyan niya kasi diba, blue and orange. Para siyang Elmer's glue. Ooh, parang medyo kinakabahan ako dito sa kulay na to ha. So ito si Perfect Peach. And as you can see, parang antingkad. Parang siyang neon. Very pigmented. You don't need a lot with this one. Parang ano nga lang isa or dalawang tuldok, okay na siya. Tapos yung consistency niya, very watery. I'm honestly not sure kung gusto ko yung kulay. I don't know. Wala pa ako nagugustuhan sa dalawa. Ito namang aking hawak ngayon is called Playful Pink. And this one is a pink shade, obviously. And sana naman maganda siya. Parang medyo may pagka-orange yung kulay niya nung tinignan ko. Parang ang tingkad niya. Ayan yung swatch, guys. Actually, mukhang nice yung kulay na to. And bagay siya sa kahit anong skin tone. Ito kasi yung shade na to, feeling ko hindi siya mag-show up kung morena kayo. Tapos ito naman parang masyadong matingkad. Based on ano lang ha, personal preference. But of course, iba-iba naman tayo. So, kung ganito yung klase ng mga shades na gusto nyo, then by all means, go ahead and use them. Final shade is called Sheer Plum. Swatch natin tong shade na to and let's see. Ayan guys, ito yung kanyang kulay. And kapag ka binlend, to be honest, hindi ako big fan ng mga ganitong kulay ng blush kasi parang nakakatanda siya. Tsaka parang ang lungkot ng kulay. Para siyang pasa. I'm not really sure sa mga shades dito sa blushes. Although in terms of formula, it's easy to blend. It's just that I feel like sa kulay, hindi ganun ka you know. Oh my God. Hopefully naman, kapag nalagay sa cheeks, maganda siya. Ang taas pa naman na expectations ko pagdating sa colors, but sa apat na to, parang dito lang talaga ako sa pink, medyo okay. Para sa video na to, dalawang shade lang yung susubukan ko sa aking cheeks. And yung mga shade na napili ko is etong pink and Ano ba? Dito lang talaga ako sa color na to sure. But yung tatlo, hindi ko sure kung gusto ko ba sila. Yung orange, siguro yung orange na lang. So, start tayo kay Playful Pink. And by the way guys, nakapag-foundation na nga pala ako. Kaya to apply this, gagamit na lang ako ng brush. That way, hindi mag-move or kaya masira yung aking base. Kasi kung ayaano ko siya, if you finger, I hate that word. So, Playful Pink yung gagamitin ko. And to apply this, kuha lang tayo ng konting-konti, as in, tuldok lang. I-dab lang natin yung brush para mag-shear out siya. And ayan guys, this is how the blush looks like kapag light yung application. The color is nice, although very basic siya. It's not something na parang wow, out of this world. Pero in fairness, maganda yung formula talaga, as in, I don't have anything negative to say pagdating sa formula ng product kasi nga mabilis siyang i-blend. Hindi siya malagkit at all. Yung color selection lang talaga, I'm not the biggest fan. Tapos medyo may konti siyang dewiness na binibigay. Pero it doesn't look oily. Ayan guys, tignan nyo oh. Okay siyang i-blend kapag ka-brush yung gamit. And again, yung kulay niya is really nice. Perfect for everyday. Walang pinipiling skin tone yung pagka-pink niya. Kasi diba, tignan nyo, hindi naman siya yung klase ng pink na maputla. And also, hindi din naman siya yung klase ng pink na super tingkad. Especially siguro kung sa bare skin yung ilalagay itong product na to. Because tignan nyo yung sa kamay ko oh. Diba? It looks really good. Again, this one is a Playful Pink. Para naman sa aking left cheek, yung shade na gagamitin natin is a Perfect Peach. And let's see. Tapos this time, instead of using a brush, ang gagamitin ko naman is sponge. So para lang, diba, just in case na yung iba sa inyo, kapag ka gumagamit ng cream blush, sponge yung ginagamit, at least malalaman din natin kung okay ba siya. Ito guys, yung amount of product na aking kinuha, and gawin natin is, idab lang natin yung sponge. Ayan guys, as you can see, sinipsip ng sponge yung product. Pero I can see the, peachiness. Peachiness ba? Ayun o, medyo kita naman yung pagka-peach niya. Yun nga lang, hindi ko i-recommend na gumamit kayo ng sponge kasi panigurado, masasayang lang yung product. Etong isang to guys, wala pa siyang blush or kahit anong tint. Tapos, stipple lang natin siya on top. For me, this shade is just an okay shade. Not the biggest fan, unfortunately. Pero actually, hindi naman talaga ako big fan ng sobrang orange na blush. Kaya, masyado lang ako natitingkadan siguro. It is too bright for my liking. Since hindi ko magagamit tong dalawang to sa aking cheeks, ang gagawin ko na lang is yung shade na Everyday Nude, gagamitin ko siyang eyeshadow. Actually, nice siya sa lid. Kasi diba, warm brown yung kulay niya. Although for me sa cheeks, feeling ko hindi ko gagamitin to. Kasi nga, yung kulay niya, I don't know, hindi ko trip. Pag sa cheeks, pero sa lid, okay siya sa akin. Actually, parang ako 50-50. Gusto ko siya na hindi ko gusto, ganon. Gusto ko siya kasi it's very easy to blend. Maganda yung pigmentation, you don't need a lot. Maganda yung finish niya sa skin kasi it looks very natural and hindi siya malagkit. Blendability-wise, nakita nyo naman kanina, diba? Dinadab ko lang yung aking brush, but maganda na yung finish niya. Hindi niya na-move yung foundation at all. Actually, maganda talaga yung niya, lapat sa skin. Yun nga lang talaga, yung kulay guys, hindi ako big fan. Not cute. Yung shade lang talaga na feeling ko or nakikita ko yung sarili kong ginagamit is yung shade na Playful Pink. Ang susubukan naman natin this time sa video na to is Dewy Cosmetics X BT21 Dewy Tint. So, according sa info sheet, this one retails for 195 pesos as well. Apat yung shades na available and yung description ng product, sabi dito, our classic lip tint with a twist. The lightweight and staining effect of a tint and the dewiness of a lip gloss can be experienced in this innovative formulation. Tapos, dito sa kanyang plastic na tinanggal ko na, yung claims ng product is that it is dewy, non-sticky, and long-lasting. This one nga pala contains 3.8 ml. Packaging of this one looks like this and I absolutely love this kasi sobrang cute niya guys. Applicator naman looks like this. Very standard and basic lang siya na doe foot applicator. Pagdating sa scent, mabango siya. Kung alam niyo yung amoy ng tang na grapes, ganun yung amoy niya. Feeling ko naman kilala niyo na ako guys na pagdating sa mga lip products, sobrang bet ko talaga yung mga glossy yung finish, kaya I have high expectations with this one. Kasi di ba yung sinubukan ko before na Happy Skin lip tint, na glossy yung finish, super nice ng formula. And hopefully ito din. First color na susubukan natin is Fresh Nude. Medyo mahirap lang siyang gamitin kasi ang liit ng applicator. This is how the shade Fresh Nude looks like kapag nakalagay na sa lips and true to its claim, talagang glossy yung kanyang finish. In terms of its pigmentation, actually very sheer. Para talaga siyang water tint, which for some people can be a good thing and for some naman can be a bad thing. Actually, dito sa shade na to, para ka lang talaga naglagay ng gloss na may konting-konting tint. Next color na susubukan ko sa video na to is Rosy Pink. Ang na-notice ko dito is that nagpipicture yung kulay ng lips kaya it looks uneven. I like the glossy finish, super comfortable niya and maganda talaga. Yun nga lang, 'di ba, yung inner part, siguro kung even yung kulay ng lips nyo or kaya reddish, maganda siyang tingnan. But if you have dark lips, hindi siya magandang tingnan kasi it's going to be patchy. By the way, test nga pala natin kung may transfer siya. So, ito yung aking arm. Oh, in fairness, wala siyang transfer. Yun nga lang, kapag kinis nyo siya, ang maiiwan na lang sa lips is yung tint. Yung glossiness, as in totally wala na. 2 more shades to go. So yung next nating susubukan naman is yung shade na Brick Red. So compared sa naunang dalawa, this one mas okay yung itsura niya kapag nakalagay sa lips kasi mas dark na siya. Hindi niya na masyadong na-emphasize yung patchiness. Color is really nice kasi it's classic. This is the kind of color na kahit saang occasion pwede nyo gamitin and parang na kasi ito yung ganitong shade, diba? Staple na siya. Tsaka natutuwa talaga ako sa formula niya guys kasi diba, it's glossy but it's a tint. Dito naman tayo ngayon kay Merry Mauve. So this is Merry Mauve on the lips. Nakatingin ako sa monitor and I don't know why, parang ang red niya. Swatch nga natin sa likod ng kamay to see if ano ba siya. Ayan guys, ito yung swatch niya and as you can see, medyo reddish din siya. The color is nice. Yun nga lang, hindi ko sure kung ito ba talaga siya kasi diba may mga ibang shades na underneath kaya medyo naghalo-halo na. But same sa shade na Brick Red. Ito din guys, hindi siya patchy. I mean, konting-konti. But hindi siya ganun ka-visible. It looks nice. Tsaka ang ganda talaga ng formula, guys. Sobrang komportable niya. Tapos, ang sarap i-rub ng lips. Kasi, di ba, glossy nga siya. Kaya, very moisturized. And, ang plump tignan ng lips. Okay, guys. So, ayun na lahat ng swatches ng kanilang glossy tint. Or dewy tint, rather. And for me, overall, I like this product. But, kung meron kayong shades na kailangang masubukan, for me, I guess, yung maire-recommend ko is yung shade na Merry Mauve and Brick Red. And the reason why is because eto yung dalawang shade na kapag nilagay nyo sa lips, hindi patching tignan. Eto kasing unang dalawa, which is yung shade na Fresh Nude and Rosy Pink, patchy and talagang visible. Hindi siya magandang tignan. But again, kung yung lips nyo naman, even yung kulay, very rosy or kaya reddish, I'm very sure okay na okay and magandang tignan yung Fresh Nude and Rosy Pink. Sasabihin ko sana perfect itong lip tint na to kapag makikipag-kiss kayo, kaya lang hindi pwedeng mag-kiss dahil may coronavirus. So ayun guys, next time pagka wala ng virus. Okay guys, final verdict na po tayo para dito sa bagong BT21X Vice Cosmetics collaboration. And for me, overall, itong kanilang bagong collection is just an okay collection. Again, pagdating sa cheeky blushes, which is this one, wala akong masasabing negative pagdating sa formula kasi talagang maganda yung formula niya. Yun nga lang talaga, yung color selection is not my favorite. And again, personal preference lang. Iba-iba naman tayo ng gusto pagdating sa mga kulay ng blushes or ng kahit anong product in general. In terms of recommendation, pagdating sa kanilang cheeky blush, I have one and that is yung shade na Playful Pink. Dito naman sa kanilang Dewy Tint, I love the idea kasi nga, I love glossy products. However, yung first 2 shades nga, which is Fresh Nude and Rosy Pink, kapag nilagay sa lips, since parang water tint siya, yung pinaka-base niya, di ba? Medyo patchy. Kaya ayun nga guys, if you have darker lips, I suggest na kung may kukunin kayong shade, go for Merry Mauve or kaya Brick Red na lang. Tapos in fairness sa kanya guys, even though natanggal na yung pagka-glossy ng product, usually kasi di ba kapag water tint, ang nangyayari is drying siya. This one hindi. So yeah, it's up to you na if you guys want to purchase this or not. But again, not a bad product. It's just that may pinipili siyang klase ng lips. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa video natin today. And of course, sana din nakatulong yung aking mga sinabi about the new Vice Cosmetics X BT21. Especially for those of you na nagbabalak na mag-purchase ng mga products from this new collaboration. If you enjoyed watching, of course, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.